Joe Biden Executive Order 14067 needs your attention. It's tied to the central bank digital currency and quite likely also the HR 5376 that I alerted you about that did pass the Senate and House of Representatives. Within the YouTube video, I will put Freedom Restoration Foundation Action Alert in the description. On TikTok, I will put the links to the YouTube video and my face recognition book post with that in the comments so you can all find them. So you can contact your legislators in U.S. Congress. Tell them not only to stop any legislation promoting this, but remind them they need to legislate against unlawful and unconstitutional actions of the executive or any other branch. Then you need to contact your state legislators and everyone locally that you can to push them to write into legislation things that will protect you from the unconstitutional actions of other governing parties, and also to prevent your local and law enforcement from taking part in the actions of federal agencies that are against your God-given rights. You can also request that your legislators contact your governor to have him do emergency legislative session so that they can propose, discuss, and vote on those things quicker. You need your local government, your local elections to work for you. You need to find people to take those offices that will actually work for you and actually represent you. You might not agree with everything as your neighbor, but you might also want to step back and try to see the different way of thinking of different people. Not everybody thinks they should show their arms, in part because they're not educated on the founding of these United States of America and the reason that the colonies stood up against the colonization of Great Britain and actually of other countries. You may forget about Spain and France and what they did. You may not know that the French actually took part in helping some of the effort of the original 13 colonies against Great Britain because they saw the atrocities being done to the people here on this continent. Do what you can to take action. A simple phone call, 1-202-224-3121 is the U.S. Congress switchboard. Use our Freedom Restoration Foundation website Action Center page to see how to contact them through email and so forth, and how you may want to address them and provide them information. There's a lot of things that Congress members vote on when they shouldn't to promote them just because they don't have enough information. So you can take part in giving them that information to educate them and review all those action alerts while you're there. Only one needs to be removed because the rest of them haven't fully passed Congress and reached the Oval Office, or they're related to our very vulnerable electric grid that you need to take part in preparing for it being gone, as well as pushing all legislators to secure it for yourselves. Have a blessed day, and thank you for sharing this. Please do.